Chickpeas taste amazing when cooked this way. Hi lovelies, thank you for stopping by and welcome to Recipes by Jenny. Let's get started. Soak the dry chickpeas overnight. This helps to soften the peas, making the cooking time shorter, and also it makes digestion easier. Now this is the next day. You can see the chickpeas have increased in size and softened a bit. Rinse a couple of times until the water runs clear, then transfer into a pressure pot. Add enough water to cover the peas. Add bay leaves, cover and cook until well done. This took around 25 minutes. Once the chickpeas are well done, take out 1/4 of the chickpeas, blend and set aside as we would be using this paste later on. Now let the fun begin. These are the main ingredients we would need: the cooked chickpeas, blended chickpeas, sliced onions, roughly blended tomato, and roughly blended ginger, garlic, and chili. To a saucepan, add some ghee. Once melted, add the sliced onions and saute until golden brown. Then add the roughly blended ginger, garlic, chili mix. Followed by the blended tomato. If you like what you've seen in the video so far, kindly give the video a thumbs up and subscribe if you're not. Thank you very much. For seasoning, I'm using cumin powder, coriander powder, turmeric powder, paprika powder, and salt. Cook on medium heat for around 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, add the cooked chickpeas, cover and cook for 10 minutes. And at this point, after 10 minutes, add the blended chickpeas, reduce the heat to low, cover and allow to simmer for around 10 to 15 minutes. And voila! The chickpeas are ready to be enjoyed. This turned out to be so flavorful and absolutely delicious. You can eat this alone or pair it with rice or naan bread. Thank you so much for watching the video. If you've watched until this point, let me know in the comments section if you tried this recipe. And until next time, remain blessed.